Sana tak dengar. Rasa sana tak dengar. Tu belah-belah hujung tu. Mute participant on entry. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Buka video tu. Iris terbalik ah. Video terbalik ah. Alright. Siapa tu kat sebelah tu? Alright. Okay, we wait for the other friends. Kita tunggu dulu 1 minit. Okay, now we have 7 students, 1 teacher. Hello, Patricia. Assalamualaikum. Buka video tu. Waida, Iman, Khairan Abiha. Tak nampak. Tak nampak. Okay, welcome Hanifah. Okay, Hana Khairan nak join. Patricia. Okay, we start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, before we start our lesson today, kita start dengan doa dulu. Everyone, tadah tangan, we want to doa. Okay, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma ftah alaina hikmataka wa anshur alaina min khaza'in rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Rabbana shrah lana sudurana wa yassir lana umurana wahlul 'uqdatam min alsinatina yafqahu aqwalana. Wa sallallahu ala sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Alright. Okay, how are you all? Sihat? Sihat, alhamdulillah. Okay, semua boleh dengar suara Ustaz? Khairan Abiha, dengar suara Ustaz? Okay, dengar. Bagus. Okay, so for this week, ini adalah kelas kedua untuk minggu ni. Second class for this week. So, in this class, we will do revision, only revision. Tak ada lesson baru. Hari ini hanya revision saja. So, okay, wait. Alright. First, Ustaz akan share my screen to you all. Okay, basic. Okay, this is my screen. Okay, so for today kita akan buat revision for 4 things on the 4 things. The first one is flow chart. The second one is roulette spin. Number 3 is jigsaw puzzle and number 4 is 3D cube. Kalau sempat kita buat lagi, kalau sempat kita habiskan 4 ni. Kalau tak sempat tak apa, kita akan cuba habiskan 2 untuk hari ni, alright? Flow chart and roulette spin lah. Okay. Now, seperti yang kamu dah tahu, ini adalah hari itu kita buat for the first class hari itu. Okay, so this is the what you call the flow chart that we have done. So for example, I click, and then I click. So they are from the top. Okay. So kat bawah. So dia akan ada push up animation after this. Okay. After that we click. Okay. Push up animation. So ya done lah. So this is the example of flow chart. Contoh flow chart. So we want to do this. Okay. Welcome Akram. Okay. Now kita buka Microsoft PowerPoint. We open the Microsoft PowerPoint. Kamu tekan. Okay. Contohnya Ustaz tekan new slide lah. Okay. Ustaz tarik ke bawah. Alright. Okay, so the first thing you click this and then you click delete button on your keyboard. This also same, tekan and delete. Okay, biar ada kosong. After that, okay. Ustaz nak bagi seorang untuk assist Ustaz. Okay, Is Numan. Can you hear me? Yes, can you hear me? Please talk.
Yes.
Okay. How are you, Is? How are you? Sehat?
Fine. I said I'm a little bit spoke.
Okay. Okay, Is the first thing we want to do this flow chart things, what should we click? We want to make a shape. So what should we click? On my screen, what should we click?
Transitions.
Transitions?
Wait, insert.
Insert, okay. Pelik kamu tiba transition ni. Okay, the first thing you should click is insert. And then you click what?
Shape.
The shapes. Okay, you choose your shapes. So for example, the shapes. Okay, after that, macam mana nak buat shape? How to make a shape? Is how to make a shape?
Hold on, Hassan. You just
Click and
draw
drag.
lah. Yes, just draw. Just draw.
Yeah, okay, just draw. Okay, you click and drag. Okay, after that, you want to enter the text. How to enter the text?
Text box.
Yes?
Text box.
Text box. Insert text box. Or maybe you can just double click on these shapes. Okay, double click, you can type. Okay. Or you can right click on the shapes. Okay, and then you click edit text. You also can add the text here. Okay? Understand it? Faham tak?
Nampak.
Okay. Okay, Ahmad Rashid. Assist me. Nak tulis apa kat sini? Nak tulis apa kat sini? Tulislah apa-apa. Tulis start. Kita nak buat flow chart. Okay, for example, start. Okay, home, and then you bigger the text. Okay, so now you can format this text. Macam mana kamu nak ubah the outline, the color of the shapes? How to change it?
Dekat format.
Yes, format, and then
Outline.
yeah, shape outline and shape fill. So shape fill, no fills. Okay, no fills.
Buat dia macam circle.
Oh, nak tukar warna lain lah. Shape outline, you can choose other color. Okay, we choose a more dominant color, the more contrast color from the background. Kalau background dark, kita ambil color yang cerah for the contrast. Right? So the example lah. So you can change the font color. Okay, you can change the font color, right click. Okay, you can see here, this font color, this is highlight. Just adjust here. You can choose any color you want. Okay. Okay, ambil color putih lah. So more contra, right? Okay, so right now, Ahmad Rashid. Okay, so right now, how to make a copy of this start button?
CTRL C.
CTRL, Control?
Control C.
No. You forgot. Control what? Control dah betul dah. You click this shape first, control. Control what? Control what? Kalau Ustaz kata kita nak duplicate this shape, so control what?
Control D.
Yes, control D. Control D. Duplicate. Ingat, duplicate. Duplicate tu maksudnya copy lah. Kita nak copy. Control D. Right? So, control D. See? Yeah. So, we want to make only two. Okay, drag to the bottoms. Okay, here contohnya. Okay, so this text, okay, right click, tukar kepada ends. For example, okay, kita make the simple flow chart for today revision, alright? Okay, and then the insert, go to the other shapes. You can choose any shapes you want. Okay. Okay, Ziad. Ziad is coming. Join us. Shape. Okay, the other shapes. Mana shape? Okay, here. So from here until here. Okay. So the step is same. You can second click to right. What? Make. Okay, make. Okay, and then you can go to the format, shape fields, no fields, and then the color is blue. Okay, that's all right. Okay, the max text is small, so we want to make it large. Okay, right click. Okay, tarik semua ni. Okay, right click. Okay, here you can adjust the size. Okay. Okay. All right. So we're done for mix. Okay, one more. Insert, go to the shapes. Choose one more shape you want. Okay, here. Okay, besar sangat. Alright. So, double click and then you type decisions. Okay. And then click again, go to format, shape fields. Okay. Okay, you can choose any color you want, or maybe this color. Ni pun nampak cantik ni. Alright, and then make the other shapes. Okay, where is the other shape? Okay, here you can choose. Okay, make two more. One. Okay, right click. Sorry. Control D. Okay, copy, Control D. Okay, go here, put here. Alright. So here, double click. Okay, plus. Okay, double click. Okay. Subtract button. Okay, and then you can adjust the format. Go to the format here. Okay, you can choose any format you want. Shape outline, shape fields. No color maybe, or you want the color. Okay. Okay, ini tak nampak kontra. Okay, go to the shape outline. No color. No outline, sorry. Okay, shape outline lain maksudnya. So shape fill, no fills. Okay, yellow dah ada. Okay, purple. Okay, this one shape fill, no fills. Shape outline. Choose contra color. Okay, yeah. Alright. So we can put one more shape. Go to the shapes again. And then you can choose the direct access storage. Yeah. Okay. Okay, put here. Okay, right click. G. All right. So format this picture, shape outline. Oh, sorry. Format. Go to shape outline. Choose green. Okay, shape fill, no fills. All right. So we're done for the first slide. Okay. Okay, next, what should we do? Kita nak panggil seorang dulu. Okay, Arisha. Arisha dengar suara Ustaz? Tekan button unmute tu. Dengar? Apa khabar? Sehat?
Sihat.
Alhamdulillah. Okay, Arisha. After you done this, what should you do? Lepas buat ni, apa yang patut kamu buat? Apa yang tak ada lagi? Ingat tak? Ingat tak? Okay, I will show you one. Okay, as you can see here, this is flowchart we have done last week. Okay, yang mana satu last week? This week kot. Okay, yang mana satu yang tak ada lagi? Cuba tengok. What's missing on our slide? Okay, ni slide kita. Okay, ni slide yang kita dah buat hari-hari lepas. Apa yang tak ada?
Cuba tengok yang balik yang tu.
Ha? Cuba tengok ni. Nampak ni?
Yang arrow tu.
Yes, the arrow. Kamu perasan lah arrow tu tak ada. So macam mana nak masuk ke arrow, Arisha? First, you click what? You click what? Home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, review, view, help. Yang mana satu? Kena tekan. Tak dengar suara. Kamu tutup suara
Apa?
Kamu tutup suara. Okay.
Sorry.
Tekan apa? Tekan insert ke, design ke, transition, animation?
Insert.
Okay, insert. And then?
Shape.
Okay, and then you pick the arrow. Okay, here is arrow. So from here, drag. Okay, lepas tu you can copy, control. How to copy? Tadi Ustaz dah ajar. Arisha, tekan unmute balik.
Ya.
Macam mana nak copy? How to duplicate this thing? How to duplicate, Arisha? Arisha, are you there? Macam mana nak ni? Ustaz tunggu ni.
Apa soalan Ustaz apa?
Macam mana kita nak copy shape ni? Ni shape ni. Macam mana nak copy? Control. Control. Tadi Amara shape apa tahu? Tak fokus lah. Okay, kamu tekan control D. Control D. Okay. Ulang balik Arisha. Control
Control D.
Yes, control D. Klik control D, nampak dia copy. Kamu tekan lagi control D, so dia akan copy banyak, alright? Okay.
Ustaz.
Yes.
Boleh mute?
Boleh. Mute lah. Okay, kita tarik bawah dulu Okay. So here. Okay, tarik panjang. Alright, start kecilkan balik slide. Okay, after we done that, insert, go to the shapes. Okay, find the other arrow. From here, drag until here. Alright, and then go insert shapes, another arrow. Oh sorry, hilap pula arrow. Okay, here. Oh no. For this part kita nak sambungkan dekat make ni ada dua plus and subtract. So we choose this what? The shapes. Okay, before you click, you right click first. Right click dulu. Tekan right click dekat sini. Okay, tekan lock drawing mode. Ataupun tak nak, kamu tekan je sekali. One time. Okay, drag until here. So if you want to make another, insert, shape, tekan button yang sama. Okay, from here, go here. Alright, so we get to. Okay, after we done for this flowchart, kita dah siap untuk satu flowchart for this slide. So the first is you should make a grouping. Okay, how to make a group? Tak nak tanya. Okay, Patricia. Patricia, yeah, ha. Patricia, macam mana nak how to what tadi saya kata? How to make a grouping. Okay, contohnya yang pertama kita nak groupkan this arrow with this decision. Macam mana kita nak groupkan dia? Ingat tak? Tekan apa dekat keyboard tu dulu? Control. Okay, saya ingatkan kamu. Tekan control. Okay, tekan control, click control first and then you can click this arrow first or this shape first. Yang mana satu kamu nak pilih, kamu boleh tekan dulu. Okay, so for example, Ustaz tekan shape ni dulu. And then Ustaz tekan, jangan lepaskan control kamu tu dekat atas keyboard. Jangan lepaskan. Tekan arrow yang kecil ni, alright? Okay, maksudnya dua-dua dah pick. After these two already picks, kamu boleh lepas tangan daripada keyboard. And then one hand on your control. Satu hand dekat control, jangan lepas. Satu hand lagi dekat G. Control G. Kita nak groupkan dia. So kita try ya. Control G. So sekarang dia adalah dalam bentuk group. Nampak? Bila Ustaz tarik, dua-dua yang terkeluar. So tak macam sebelum ni. Kalau sebelum ni, contohnya Ustaz tarik, Ustaz tekan shape ni, I click the shape, bila Ustaz tarik, hanya yang ni je yang terkeluar. Oh, sorry. Okay. Oh, arrow ni dah bersambung sekali. Oh. Okay, contoh Ustaz tarik macam ni. Yang ni satu je, dia tak ada group pun. So, to make a grouping, you control, tekan shape pertama, tekan shape kedua, and then control G. Alright, so we get the first one. And then we do a second one. This, okay. Okay, the second one, control, okay, click this, control G. Okay, the third one, control, okay, control G. Okay, ni kalau ada tiga ni, satu, control, tekan control jangan lepas, tekan control lagi jangan lepas. Tekan control lagi jangan lepas. Okay, kita ada lebih kurang 1, 2, 3, 4. So control G. So this, this in okay, this in one group. See? Okay, the last one ends. Okay, here until here. Control. Okay, control G. Okay, we done for the flow chart. Alright. So after that, we want to make the animation. Kita nak buat animation. How to make animation? Okay, the first one. Kamu tekan dekat decision, the first group, click decision, click decision, this first group, go to the animation, or you can, tak apa, start bagi cara senang. Click this first group and then go to the second group, control jangan lepas Third group, control jangan lepas. Fourth group, okay, this is the last group. Okay, so, semua group kita dah select. So we go to the animation, add animation. Okay, kamu tak nampak ada screen block. So go to the animation, go to add animation. Okay, click this wipe animation. Okay, so dia ada muncul daripada atas. So macam mana nak buat muncul daripada bawah? Okay. Okay, buat cara tadi. Every group you click Okay, and then you go to the effect option. Okay, from the top. So dia muncul daripada atas ke bawah macam tadi. Okay. So kamu akan nampak there is number. You can see number one, number one, number one, number one, number one, number one. So how to make the flow chart dia muncul ikut yang kita nak. How to make the flow chart according to the number we want to set. So we have number one, kita number one, number two, number three, number four. Okay. Okay, caranya go to the animations. Okay. Okay, go to animation and then click animation pane. Okay, so automatic akan ada section kat sini. So we can see here is group 35. Okay, this group 35. When we click here, this is group 36. This group 37. Ni group apa ni? 30X and this 39. So how to mix? The first is this and the second is this. Okay, you right click here, group 36, where group 36, this is number 1. So dah ada number 1. So this you want to set this number 2, click this group. Okay, here group 36, right click, start on click here. Okay, ni yang ketiga mix. Okay, sama juga, right click, start on click, number 3, see? Okay, number 4 here. Okay, right click, start on click. This is the last one. Okay, right click, start on click. Okay, Man Syafi'i baru masuk balik. Disconnect tadi. Okay, wait . Okay. Okay, now we are done for the what's turutans 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 animation. So let's see our result. Okay, start besarkan. Okay, this is 0. Okay, now we click. Okay, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5. Okay, everything on the slide. Alright. After you done that, kita nak buat push up slide. Daripada slide ni, bila dia berubah, akan ada slide kat bawah. There is follow up slide. Okay, how to make the slide like that? Okay, first thing you should make is right click on this slide and then new slide. Oh no. You can choose new slide or you want the faster, cara yang faster, lagi faster. You click duplicate slide. So the second slide is same like the first slide. Okay, this first slide, this is second slide, same. So we have two same slide. Alright. Okay, now we want to follow this slide with the second slide like this. This PowerPoint lah yang Ustaz tunjuk ni. Okay, so this first slide, there should be a arrow here and then link up with the start from the second slide here. The second slide, this first slide. Alright. Okay, kita masuk balik dekat tadi kita punya kerja. Okay, now click insert, go to the shapes. Okay, choose this line. From here, okay, click and drag. Okay, we are done. So we are done. Click the shapes. We want to make a animation same, sama macam dekat atas ni. Click the shapes and then go to the animation. Okay, add animation. And then you click wipes. Okay, nampak dia muncul daripada bawah. So click this slide again, this shape again. Go to the effect option. Okay, from the top. So it should be from the top. Okay, appear from the top. So kita tengok dia punya ni. Okay, oh tak nampak. Ya. Okay. Okay, now we click start. Decisions. Okay, G. Okay, mix. Okay, 2 plus and subtract. And okay, we have the last line. Alright. After that, we go to the second slide. Okay, second slide, you go to the insert, shapes. Okay, tick this arrow. Okay, from this, okay, from here, insert shape. Okay, again. Okay, from here until here, right? Okay. Okay, boleh lah. Okay, now pula. Now, Okay, now on this slide, don't click anything. Jangan tekan apa-apa. Okay, on this slide, click this slides only. Go to the transitions. And then you click this push animation. Kalau tak ada, kamu boleh check kat sini. Okay, ada banyak animation. Cari push animation here. Push animation. You click. Okay. Okay, now we try. Start decision J. Okay, okay, sebab arrow kita tadi tak sama, tak rata. So nampak apa? Nampak sengit. Cuba tengok lagi sekali ya. Okay, start. Oh. Okay, this second slide. Go to the first slide. Okay, start. Tekan sekali. Click again. Click again. Click again. Click again. Okay, click again. Click again. Okay, So nampak sengit sikit tadi. Kamu boleh adjust Alright. So we done for the push up slide animation. Okay, this is flowchart lah. Ini panggil sebagai flowchart. Alright. So I stop share first. Okay, any question? Okay, Nifah, Ustaz saya ada internet problem. Saya keluar dulu. Okay, tak apa. Nanti masuk balik Ada ke Nifah? Okay, ada dah. Okay, any question? Kalau malu, you can just type. Irham? Okay, Irham? Hanifah ada soalan, Hanifah? Okay, tak ada soalan. Okay, now Ustaz share screen. Iman Syafi'i Ustaz, kenapa? Why, Iman Syafi'i, why? Macam mana nak? Oh, tak habis soalannya. Okay, Iman Syafi'i cepat. Macam mana nak? Tak, saya type lambat. Okay. Tak payah, tulis soalan je. Okay, tak apa. Nanti kamu type dulu soalan, nanti Ustaz baca nanti ya. Okay, now I will share my screen. Okay, we go to the second agenda, roulette spin. Macam mana nak buat roulette spin? Okay, so go to the new slide. Okay, first click this and then delete. Click this, delete. Okay, now kita letak title dulu. Insert. Okay, click text box. Okay, click text box and then from here you click until here. You can type roulette spins games. Okay, go to the center. Okay, now click all. Okay, you can choose the phone you want. Okay, agency. Okay, make it besar sikit, larger. Alright. Okay, you can also edit the text. You can also edit the text. Go to the format. You can choose on this text field, text outline, and also text effect lah. Okay, bevel, for example. Alright. Now, click insert. Go to the shapes. Oh no, sorry. Kita nak panggil seorang dulu. Syed Jaafar, are you there? Tekan button unmute tu. Syed Jaafar. Syed Jaafar. Hana Khaira. Tekan button unmute tu. Dengar suara Ustaz? Hana Khaira, dengar suara Ustaz tak?
Dengar.
Okay, dengar bagus. Okay, Hana Khaira, sekarang ni kita nak buat roulette spin game. Sekejap Okay. Kita nak buat yang bulat, yang roda bulat tu. The spin. Macam mana nak buat? Kita tekan insert. After we click insert, what should we click? Tekan yang mana? Tekan shape ke, icons ke, 3D models, or smart art, or chart?
Shape.
Shape? Tak. Lupa Kamu datang tak kelas itu? Okay, tak apa. Kamu follow Ustaz Okay, sekarang kita lepas. After we click insert, we go to the chart. We go to the chart and then click the pies here, pies. Okay, tekan dekat pies ni and then click OK. Faham? Hana Khaira? Hana Khaira, follow tak? Alamak, dah mute dah. Okay, tak apa. Okay, now set this number only one, tekan 1. This also you adjust to number 1. Okay, this number 1. Okay, number 1. Okay. Okay, after that you click X. Okay, you can see ada perkataan sales here and then also ada data bawah ni macam mana nak hilangkan. Click on the sale. After you click delete on your keyboard. Tekan delete key dekat keyboard kamu tu. Okay, dah hilang. Okay, this also same dekat bawah ni. Click and then delete. Okay, so make it smaller. Kecil lagi. Okay. Okay, now we are done for the the roda lah. And then you can put okay, and then you can put, you must click the shape first. Tekan shape ni dulu, dah tekan insert and then click text box. Kamu kena tekan, kamu tak boleh buat macam ni. You should click the shape first. Dah klik the shape baru kamu tekan insert and then text box. Okay, kat sini kamu boleh tulis nilai yang kamu mahu. Okay, contoh kamu nak masukkan nama, kamu masukkan nama. Kamu nak masukkan nombor, masukkan nombor. So for example, number 10. Okay, here. Okay, click insert again. Text box. Okay, ni number 30. Okay, for example lah. Oh. Dibesarkan. Alright. Okay, kamu boleh buat semua sampai habis, alright? After that, you go to the insert. Kita nak buat dia punya stand. Go to the insert. Go to the shapes. Okay, click shape you want. Okay, here. Okay, now dah buat. Kamu boleh letak text, edit text. Okay, start. And alright. Okay, lepas tu klik insert, go to the shape. Okay. Okay, after you done start and end these shapes, you can go to the insert, click the shapes. Okay, pilih satu shapes. Where's the shapes? Okay, here you can click here the shapes. Okay. Okay, make the shapes. You can put it here. Put at the center. Ni pun letak dekat center. Okay, after you done, you can click. You want to make the animation. Macam mana nak buat dia berputar. To spin this roda. Click the shapes and then go to the animation. add animation, you can click spin, alright? Okay, the roda is spinning. Okay, after that, okay, kat sini kamu boleh adjust the color, right? If you don't like this color. Okay, now we want to make animation. Macam mana nak spin dia lama-lama. Okay, click this animation pane. Okay, you can see there is chart 1. Okay, go to this chart 1. Right click. Okay, go to the effect option. Click effect option. Tarik ke tepi sikit. Okay, tekan timing. Click timing. Okay, Aris Karisa. Welcome. Baru masuk balik. Okay. Okay, duration. You want the medium duration, slow, fast. Kamu nak dia pusing laju ke, perlahan ke, you can adjust here. So I click very fast, 0.5 second, click. Okay, repeat. Tukar kepada until next click. Okay, and then you click trigger. Start effect on the click off. Okay, kita nak tekan sini baru dia pusing. So this we call as rectangle. You find the rectangle rounded corner. Okay, here click and then okay. Okay. Okay, so this is for the spinnings, and then we want to make one animation more. Click again, and then add animation. Oh, add animation, and then you click appear. Okay, one more animation appear. Okay, so this is spin. This is appear animation. So you right click, you go to the effect option. Okay, go to timings, and then trigger. Okay, this, click this button, and then go choose the rectangle rounded corner again. Okay, after that you're done, click OK. Okay, now we are done for the roulette spin. So let's try it. Okay, kita tekan start. Okay, until we click the next start, dia tak akan berhenti berpusing. So biar dia pusing dulu, spin, 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 and then we click again to end this spinning. Alright, so we get the random box. Okay, the random part. Okay, now we are done for the roulette spin games. Okay, stop share dulu. Okay, Waida, understand? Okay, good. Waida ada soalan? Okay, ni ada soalan ni. Okay, kalau nak pilih transition yang lain, boleh tak kalau saya guna yang sama je? Yes, you can use the same transition. Ustaz, shape kotak tu kena sama macam Ustaz ke Ustaz? No, you can make any random shape you want. Kamu boleh buat shape yang kamu nak. Okay, tak perlu ikut Ustaz pun tak apa. Ustaz just tunjukkan cara macam mana nak buat tu. Ustaz, kalau Ustaz discuss sekarang nanti, kalau Zoom meeting Friday, kita belajar yang sama ke? No. ICT tak ada discussion untuk hari Jumaat. There is no discussion for ICT class on the Friday. Only the major subject macam BM, BI, macam itulah yang ada discussion hari Jumaat. Alright? Okay, if you feel shy, kalau kamu malu sangat, kamu boleh type soalan dekat bawah ni ya. Kalau macam Iman Syafiq ini, dia type sebab the microphone is broken. This microphone is broken, so he cannot talk to us. Okay? Irham? Irham gelapnya Irham. Okay, tak apa. Okay, I will share my screen. Kita nak buat jigsaw puzzle pula. Okay lah, yang ni yang terakhir. Jigsaw puzzle sebelum kita jawab quiz sekejap. For 3D cube tak apa, kamu boleh tonton video Ustaz yang Ustaz dah upload dekat VM, alright? So right click, new slide. Okay, you can delete. Here, delete. This also delete. Okay, after you delete, okay, you must make sure you have picture. Okay, one picture. So contoh start ada picture swan ni. This one picture. Okay. Okay, wait. Computer start. Alright. Okay, dah. Okay, this is one picture. Okay, we want to make a jigsaw puzzle. Kita nak buat jigsaw puzzle, kita kena buat dia dalam segi empat sama. The square, rectangle. Alhamdulillah. Okay, we must make it into the square, rectangle. So, click these shapes, go to the format, and then crop. Okay, crop. And then click aspect ratio 1:1 square here. Okay, after that, this gambar akan auto kecil menjadi segi empat sama. Okay, okay, like this. So after that, you go to the insert, pick the shape. Okay, kita nak ambil rectangle, kita nak buat dia dalam bentuk square. So how to make it? Click, go to the format. Okay, this height and breadth kena sama sebab square sama dari segi size dia. So kalau dua, ini pun kena dua. Should be same. Okay. Okay, now we get the square. Okay, after that, after you get the square, kita nak buat dia dalam bentuk jigsaw. We want to make it same like jigsaw. Click again, insert, go to the shapes. Okay, pilih circles. Okay, bulatkan, tarik. Okay. Okay, here. Okay, now click Control Duplicate. Okay, kita get another copy of it. Go here. Find the T. You see, you can find T. Okay, so it means you are on the center. Okay, so we get to. Okay, after you done doing this, click this shape first. Tekan shape ni dulu, and then tekan control lama-lama, jangan lepas. Tekan shape yang kedua ni, alright? Okay, so dua shape dah dipilih. Go to format, merge shapes, and then unions. Okay, done. So the first is done. So the second, tekan balik, tekan shape ni, and then click control, and then click the second shape. Okay, and then you go to format, merge shapes, subtract. Okay, now we got one piece of puzzle. Okay, alright. What's time now? Okay. Okay, after that, we want to make another 3 copy of it. Click the shapes, Control D. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 shapes. Okay, now we want to rotate. Kita nak bagi dia dalam bentuk jigsaw. Okay. Okay, you can rotate here. Oops. Alright. So we get 4 piece of puzzles. Okay, now we done. Now this picture, kita nak buat dia sama size. Okay, this picture, we want to make this picture same size with this square puzzles. Okay, right click the shapes, this picture, right click. Bring to front, tekan ni. Okay, tarik ke sini. Okay, samakan dia dulu. Okay, after that, you can drag until here. Okay, so we are now same size. Okay, after that, okay, put here first. Okay, after that, this picture, I want you to make another 3 copy of it, same like the jigsaw puzzle. 1, 2, Control D. 1, 2, oh sorry. Okay, dia automatic muncul 1, 2, 3, lagi 1. 4. 4, alright. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, click the first picture, go here. Okay, jigsaw puzzle letak dekat depan, right click, bring to front. Okay, from here, you put like this. Okay. After that, you click this picture first. Right click, tekan right click, jangan lepaskan. And then click this jigsaw puzzle. Go to the format. This format, merge shapes, and then intersects. Okay, we get the first piece of puzzle. The second also same. Yang kedua pun sama. Okay, now. Okay, right click, bring to front. Okay. Okay, now click this picture first. Click this picture first. Control, jangan lepas. Click the second picture. Go to the format, merge shapes, and then intersect. Second jigsaw. Okay, welcome Ziyad. Okay, the third. Okay, here. Okay, this. Right click, bring to front. Okay, from here until here. Okay, now click this picture first and then control, click the second picture, go to the format, go to merge shape and then intersect. Okay, the last picture here. Okay, dia ada kat belakang, bring to front. Okay, the last piece of puzzle. Okay, now click this picture first and then control, click the second picture, the second jigsaw puzzles. Go to format, merge shapes and then intersect. So we get 4 piece of puzzle. Tapi nampak macam bukan puzzle sedikit because the style is 2 pills. So kita nak tukar, click the shapes, click, go to the format, picture effect, click picture effects and then you choose bevels. Okay, here. Okay, yang ni pun boleh. Okay, this also same. Click this picture, go format, picture effects, bevels. Okay, this also same. Picture effect, bevels. This and then this also same. Go to format, picture effect and bevels. Okay, now we get a more realistic jigsaw puzzle. Yeah, okay, dah siap. Okay, stop share dulu. Okay, ada soalan. Khaira Nabiha. Penat hari ni? Penat, nampak tu. Nampak muka penat tu. Okay, Ustaz. How can you duplicate the image, Ustaz? Okay, Ustaz. Click on your keyboard. Ni Ustaz tulis dekat kamu punya chat. Control plus D. Okay, you click Control CTRL kat keyboard kamu tu, tekan lama-lama and then satu tangan lagi tekan D. Control D. You can duplicate the image. Okay, Ustaz, macam mana nak hantar? Saya tak tahu nak hantar apa. Kerja ni tak perlu hantar. You can just practice at your home, okay? This is not your homework, okay? Just for your practice. Okay, bagus. Okay, siapa lagi ada soalan? Patricia ada soalan? Arisha, tak ada soalan? Tak ada, Okay, sekarang kita main quiz sikit, boleh? Cuma soalannya mungkin bukan topik kita. Revision untuk for your ICT subject lah. Alright, Huwaida? Okay. Share screen. Okay. Okay, now the first lucky person is Akram. Akram, dengar suara Ustaz? Okay, bagus Akram. Okay, Akram. Baca soalan ni.
What does this icon represent?
Okay, the answer number 1, Antonio. Number 2, Angela. Number 3, Android. And number 4, Anthony. Mana satu jawapannya?
Nombor 3.
Number 3, Android. Bagus soalannya. Okay, the second question, kamu jawab agak. Soalannya senang je kan? Okay. Okay, number 2, the question. Baca question.
Name this icon.
Name this icon. So this is icon. One of the icons you should be familiar with. So this icon is dock, works, drive or word.
Drive.
Okay, drive. Bagus. Satu lagi soalan. 3 soalan Amar Rashid raise a hand. Okay, wait. Amar Rashid Okay, the question. Akram, you can read.
What does this icon represent?
Okay, this icon represent apa? Google Docs, Google Slide, Google Form or Google Sheet?
Google Slides.
Google Slide. Betul? Yakin?
So,
Yakin tak? Tak saja uji. Nak tahu kamu yakin ke tak?
yeah.
Ya. Okay, klik. Google Slide betul lah. Baru cocok sikit. Okay,
Aduh,
bagus.
Ustaz buat saya punya.
Okay, clap. Bagus. Semua boleh jawab. Okay, boleh tekan mute tu? Boleh tekan button mute tu? Alright. Okay, the second person. Khaira Nabiha, boleh? Sorry mana Amar Rashid tadi? Amar Rashid ada soalan ke? Start mute dulu.
Ya,
Ada soalan ke tadi kamu raise hand?
tak, saya nak buat.
Oh ya, saya sajalah. Alright. Start mute dulu Okay, Khaira Nabiha, start mute. Okay, you will answer this question. Okay, baca soalan dulu.
What is the Google tool you use to get your assignments and hand them in?
Okay, what is the Google tool you use to get your assignment and hand them in? Okay, yang mana satu? Gmail, Drive, Classroom or Doc?
Classroom.
Classroom. Okay. Tempoh PKP ni kita pakai Classroom Sebelum ni kita tak tahu. We don't know the Google Classroom. What is that? Okay, Khaira Nabiha, next questions. Okay, please read.
Which of the following is not a way to assess students in the classroom?
Okay, Kahoot, Google Form, Pinterest or Quizzes?
Tak ada
Which
Pinterest
of-
apa?
Tak pasti. Which of the following is not the way to assess student in the classroom? Antara berikut yang manakah bukan cara untuk kita access, kita nak menilai pelajar tu dalam kelas? Contohlah Ustaz nak nilai pelajar ni markah dia berapa, Ustaz nak dapatkan markah macam mana? Yang manakah bukan caranya? Which is not the
Pinterest kot.
answer? Yes?
Pinterest kot.
Yeah, Pinterest. Alright. So Pinterest ni untuk apa? Khaira Nabiha tahu tak Pinterest ni untuk apa? Tak tahu Pinterest ni untuk kita share gambar-gambar online lah Pinterest. So kita tengok Pinterest Pinterest. Okay. Okay, Pinterest. Okay, this is example of Pinterest lah. You can share the photo online. Okay, you can see here. Pinterest is American image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the World Wide Web using image. Okay, image lah. Alright, one more question. Khaira Nabiha, you okay? Satu lagi soalan. Alright. Okay, baca soalannya.
Type of barcode that you can scan to take you to an image, video or website is called?
Okay, a type of barcode you can scan to take you to image, video or website is called? Number 1, hotspot. Number 2, QR code. Number 3, barcode. Number 4, Wi-Fi. Yang mana satu jawapannya?
Barcode. Barcode rasanya.
Barcode juga? Betul ke?
Saya tak tahu.
Okay, tak apa. A type of barcode that you can scan and take you to image, video or website. Okay, jawapannya adalah QR code. Okay, tak apa. Kamu confuse antara QR dengan barcode kan? Okay, Ustaz tunjuk kamu yang mana barcode. Okay, this is example of barcode. So barcode ni biasa kamu akan nampak dekat supermarket. Bila kamu bawa ke cashier, dia akan scan dekat barcode tu, akan keluar dia punya the price of the items. So that's example of barcode. Tapi kalau QR code, nampak ni kat sini dah nampak dah ada scan. Okay, QR code. Okay, QR code macam ni. Pernah lihat tak? Pernah nampak tak? Mesti banyak kali pernah nampak sebab kamu dekat 21st century learning. So many of the tools use the QR code. Bila kita scan QR code ni dekat handset kita ni, dia akan buka dekat web. Dia akan buka kita dekat satu tempat. So contohnya ustaz nak buat barcode, ustaz nak direct kamu pergi Gmail, contohnya Gmail. So ustaz buat barcode generator, dia akan keluar satu barcode, nanti ustaz mengajar kat kelas, ustaz tunjuk barcode ni dekat kamu. So you can scan, bila kamu scan tu kamu akan dibawa ke dalam Gmail, G Drive punya website. Itu contohnya lah. So the question tadi, dia tanya yang boleh direct kita ke image ke video ke, itu kita panggil sebagai QR code. Alright? Syarah Nabiha? Okay. Okay, cuba terang ustaz, barcode tadi untuk apa?
Yang kedai tu. Yang
Okay, yang kedai, yang scan harga tu kan? Okay. Very good. Ni second question ke third question? Third dah kan? Tak apa. Okay, bagus. Thank you. Kita start mute dulu Alright. Okay, we only have 1 more minute. Kita bagi soalan last. Siapa nak soalan last? Siapa nak bagi emoticon tu? Tak ada. Kenapa ni? Okay, one more. Okay, start random pilih. Okay, Ziad. Ziad, can you unmute? Tekan button. Okay, Ziad, can you hear me? Boleh dengar suara Ustaz?
Boleh.
Okay, Ziad. Okay, Ziad, baca read this question.
Google App is best used for making spreadsheets.
Okay, the answer is drawing, Gmail, slide or sheet. Mana kamu rasa jawapannya? What's Google App? Apakah Google yang paling sesuai untuk kita buat spreadsheet?
Yang
last, the sheet. Jawapannya senang lah sebab spreadsheet kita ada Google Sheet. So the answer is Google Sheet. Okay, what is the first number 1 visited website on the internet? Tahu tak yang mana satu? Wikipedia ke, Google ke, Facebook ke, Twitter? Try to guess your answer. Kamu rasa jawapannya mana? Ziad? Kamu rasa jawapannya mana?
Google.
Google. Okey, kita tekan Google. Betul. Okey, dekat dunia ni semua orang pakai Google, betul? Kamu nak cari info, nak cari kerja, kamu nak cari Facebook pun pakai Google dululah. Sekarang kita ada app Google dan sebagainya. Alright. Thank you Ziad. Okey, Ustaz harap kamu enjoy today's class. Ada lagi tak soalan? Okey. Ada tak lagi soalan? Tak ada? Tak ada. Okay. Okay, now we will end today's lesson. Ustaz harap kamu jaga kesihatan. Terbatuk dah Ustaz. Okay. Jaga kesihatan diri. Jaga diri. Kat rumah buat benda-benda yang bermanfaat. Do a good things and avoid the bad thing kat rumah tu. Buat benda tak baik, tengok benda tak baik dan sebagainya lah. Okay. Tak doakan semuanya dipermudahkan insyaAllah. Okay, we end our lesson today dengan tasbih kafarah dan surah Al-As. Subhanakallah. Okay, dekat ruang chat tu Ustaz share, Control D. Okay, Control D untuk duplicate, Control G untuk kita grouping. Sorry, G besar sorry. Okay. Control G untuk grouping. Alright, thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye.